Welcome to our in-depth walkthrough of the AI settings we offer for our conversational phishing functionality. These settings can be configured for crafting highly personalized and realistic conversational phishing simulations. Today I'm going to guide you through each key configurable setting, breaking down how they affect the conversation the AI has with your employees. Alright, first up we have the data required section. When you're setting up your employee lists, you can input essential details like first name, last name, company, and job title. This data is crucial because it allows the AI to reference specific information about the employee during the interaction. Imagine adding the job title Operations Manager to an employee. The AI might use this to say something like, "As an operations manager, you understand better than most why these protocols are in place." This subtle yet powerful personalization adds depth and realism to the interaction, making the AI's persona more believable and the simulation harder to detect. Next, let's dive into the payload type. This setting defines the AI's objective, whether it's to deliver a phishing link, an attachment, or an information request. When you opt for an information request, the AI follows guidelines to extract predetermined and innocuous information. Once it successfully gathers the data, the employee receives a notification that it was a phishing simulation. This feature is fantastic for assessing how employees respond to different types of phishing attempts and helps to identify potential vulnerabilities. Moving on, let's talk about the email scenario. This is a predefined scenario that sets the stage for the initial email to the user. New scenarios are constantly being added, and if you want to know more about each scenario, you can look them up on our knowledge base. Now back to how the email scenario affects the conversation. Once the user responds, the AI takes the employee's responses into consideration and combined with the email scenario, delivers subsequent messages. If challenged or questioned, the AI will navigate around the questions using what it knows about the employee and the email scenario to craft a realistic response. The AI always tries to steer the conversation back to the email scenario in an attempt to achieve its objective. This ensures that the interaction feels genuine, but stays on track. Now let's discuss the AI persona. This is the character that AI will assume during its interactions. It's especially useful if the employee challenges the AI, seeking more details about its identity. The persona might also be included in the initial email to add credibility and context. For instance, if the AI is posing as someone from HR, it may make reference to its role or tie it into the original scenario, making the request seem more legitimate and less suspicious. You can also choose a specific name for your AI persona, or you can let the AI randomly select one. This feature adds a personal touch to the interaction, making the simulation feel more authentic. You may also want to use a familiar name to the employee. This adds a spear phishing element to the phish. Finally, let's talk about the AI tone. This setting controls the overall tone of the AI's communication. As you can see, the tones vary significantly, from friendly and helpful to stern and direct. Yet they always stay within the boundaries of business communication. This ensures that the interaction remains appropriate and feels real. And there you have it. These customizable settings allow you to create highly tailored and convincing conversational phishing simulations, effectively testing and training your employees on this type of phishing attack. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Can I Fish team.